Hello everybody. I hope you can hear me okay. What I got today in this box here, upside down, but is my Switchblade flag setup. John, he's out of California, he was kind enough to send this right after the holidays. So here we go. We're going to unbox this and take a look. Okay, got the box opened up. Got the paperwork here. Mad Genius Incorporated. Got a little letter here saying, "Dear Chuck, thank you very much." It's kind of nice. It's actually hand signed by John Eller. Hopefully I pronounced his name correct. So it's the Switchblade flag system. He's the president of Mad Genius Incorporated. So here we go. There's no padding in the box, but that's okay. It comes in its own little case like this. There we go. That's it. We've got, here we are. And another flag here. We've got white. Got black. Again, this is just the white for diffusing. And here we have another here. Nice heavy duty canvas. Okay. Alright, so let's see what the system looks like. Forgot, got another mesh in here as well. So there's a lot in this kit. I can't remember, I think it was $200, something like that, plus the shipping. So you just have to go to his website, which is switchbladegrip.com. Again, that's www.switchbladegrip.com. And the bag is actually really nice. It's padded very well. Comes with two of his patented flag systems. This locks in. Got that. It's very portable. So how this works, let's get this out of the way, is that these will go onto the corners. What I just realized is with the stem right here, you're going to want to start there and bring this over, loop it through there first, just like that. Second one here. Because it's rectangular and not square, make sure you get the right corner to the right side here. Simple as that on that side. Get the third one. And get the corner to the fourth. Just like this. Opens up. Locks into place. Same thing with this side. There we go, and locks right in, so it's nice and tight. Okay, it's got double, so if you don't want the mesh to be cutting out one stop, just go ahead and open that. Notice, so it's just maybe about a half a stop probably. That's just my guess. Okay, so. Same thing with the other flags of the frame. It's all the same. The white. that's it. Lock out some of that light. Very simple, very basic, very good. Construction seems like it's decent. It's going to be nice. Very portable. That's what I like about this. So that's it. Again, this is a Switchblade grip product. I believe, like I said, it was right in the neighborhood of $200 plus the shipping. And it comes from John out of California there someplace. Thank you very much. Next time I'll test it and we'll see how it really works out.